Okay, so today was CPI news day. It's May 12th, and this is the trade I took right here for 9RR, which netted me $3,710 per account. So going in today, I woke up at about 8 a.m., which is 30 minutes before CPI, and I just started drawing out my PD arrays. So here on the 1 hour, you can see that we're rejecting this fair value gap right here. Therefore, on the lower time frame, I'm going to be bullish. So when it comes to CPI and pretty much every other news day, I do not gamble my funded accounts. I always wait until the 8:30 news candle and wait for a data high or low sweep, and then I target the other side. So let's play forward into this CPI news candle. As you can see, CPI was bearish today, which is pretty boring. It's the first bearish CPI we've had in a while, and it really didn't go very far. We had, let's see, a 43-point move. Anyway, as you can see, we're still rejecting this 1 hour fair value gap, so I expect us to continue bullish. From here on the 1 minute, we're going to draw out the data high and the data low of this news candle. So let's draw that out really quick. So now we have CPI data high and CPI data low. If we sweep the high, I'm going to short, and if we sweep the low, I'm going to run longs. Since I did take this trade earlier this morning, I do know that we took longs. So what I'll do is I'll set the limit right here at CPI data low, and now I'll wait for us to get tapped in. So as you can see, the very next 1 minute candle actually tapped us in. And as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, I always take 10-point stops. So let's drag our stop loss here. And now I'm going to show you where I plan to take profit. We're going to go up here to the 15-minute chart and locate the current higher time frame leg that we're using. That would be this leg right here. So we're going to draw out my fib OTE levels. If I happen to be looking for shorts, which I'm not, because not only are we still messing around the all-time highs, so we're automatically bullish, but we're also rejecting that 1 hour fair value gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my take profit right to this 705 level for $3,720 profit. And then we're just going to let the trade run. I'll go back to the 1 minute really quick, and then I will play right through it. I'm pretty sure this trade only lasted about 10 minutes. From here, after we take data highs, the second we take data high, I would have automatically went break even, because a lot of times we will reverse off of the sweep. So from here, my stop is set to break even, and my take profit is about to be hit. There we go. That was a 10RR trade straight off of CPI data low. It was a very, very simple trade using OTE, high time frame PD arrays, overall bias, and data low. It's a very, very easy concept. Data high and low works out pretty much exactly like this every single CPI. And it's a lot smarter to trade news like this instead of just full porting your whole account. That concludes May 12th. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned.